I discovered water polo at the age of 9 when I happened to walk by an ad poster for a local club team. My first practice was intimidating as well as intriguing. I realized I'd fallen in love with the sport my first game. My coach subbed me out because I was exhausted and asked if I wanted more breaks. I told her I liked breaks, but that I loved playing. From that moment on, I was hooked and surrendered to my newfound passion. I would practice day in and day out, in the water and out of the water. Any chance I had, I would test my knowledge and go through the motions of different techniques. I thought of everything in terms of water polo. My coaches kept me excited, encouraging my enthusiasm and feeding my immense understanding of the sport at every practice and game, giving me confidence in my abilities and teaching me to visualize the outcome by setting goals. I saw myself making shots, winning games, and tasting victory before the moments came. I play water polo with my team and focus on the best opportunity in the game. I encourage my teammates to focus on the current plays, pushing myself to change my game and to walk the edge of my comfort zone to improve my skills and become an even better master.